So guys, first you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Now once this comes up, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HKey current user, and now you want to expand control panel, and now you want to click on desktop. You want to scroll down till we find paint desktop version. Double click on it. Make sure that in this box you have the value data on 0. So make sure that this number right here is 0 and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Once you're on this, you want to make the view by on category. Now you want to click on ease of access and then click on ease of access center. Once this comes up, scroll down and then select make the computer easier to use. Scroll down again. Make sure that you have remove background images where available unticked. So you want to untick this box and then click on OK. The Activate Windows Watermark should now be removed. If it's not been removed, then just restart your computer, come back into Windows, and then it's going to be removed.